What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with a review video. Today I have this car. This is i20 and this is my friend's i20. His name is Parichay. He also have a podcast on Spotify and he also have started a YouTube channel. So I'm gonna link his channel and Spotify account down below in the description on the top, and then you can just follow him because he posts really good and entertaining content on Spotify and on YouTube. You can just follow him and then you'll be able to see his content because his content is a bit different. On YouTube he is posting normal vlogs but they are really funny, and on Spotify he's just trying to motivate you and he posts Hindi motivation stuff. So you can just follow him there and you'll be happy to watch him. So this is his i20 and today I am gonna review this car. Like, I love this car, like the looks of it and all the powers. Like, it also have alloy wheels on this car, and this he bought it brand new, and this car is serving him well. He is really happy with it and he loves this car. Like, I also like it. I have driven this car multiple times. I have driven multiple variants of this car, and seriously, if you are trying to buy a i20, this would be a great car for you because it is gonna give you really good feel while driving. It is really smooth and you won't have any problems with this one. So you can see from all the sides, like this car and the looks of this car, they just look great and fabulous. You can just drive it wherever you want to and you won't be having any problem. If you live in a city like Delhi like me, then you'll be able to drive this car really easily. It is not difficult to drive. You can just have some fun in this car. So I'll show you the interior of the i20. So just by opening it, you can see there's a water bottle that he is using. So here is the panels. Like, the coloring and everything on the panel looks great, and you can see there are all power buttons here, and you can just lock the windows if you want them to be locked. You can adjust your side mirrors, and this is to fold your side mirrors. And these are good handles, normal type of handles which every car have, and these are like alright, they are not that bad. And then you come into the interior. The interior is nice and clean. Like, this depends upon the owner if he keeps his car nice and clean, but his car is clean, really clean, and I just love that. Like, when you are gonna sit in the car, you'll just be able to have a great look. So I'm just gonna close the door to have less noise in it, less noise in the video. So this is the key of the i20, and it is just alright. It is not that heavy, so you'll be able to have it in your pocket and you won't be feeling anything. So this key, there is a button and you have a lock button, and then unlock, and for your trunk you can open it with this button. So I'm just gonna insert the key in here, and then you'll be able to see the dashboard. Like, the dash is just great, and I love this type of dash when they have digital, all of these things like gasoline and if the car is hot or cold and all those stuff. Like, it looks great, and it also gives you live monitoring of your mileage. What is your mileage? So that is also good. And I don't know about others, but about me, I don't like digital speedometer. Like, in my Civic, it's alright, yeah, it's a new thing and people love that, but if you are gonna ask to my preference, I just don't like that. I am a JDM type of guy, so I just like these type of dash, and where you have analog speedometer and analog RPM. That is just great and I love that. And on the steering wheel too, you are gonna have a lot of features, and you can just change everything, all the modes, trip, reset, and you can mute it if you are listening to music or if you are calling anyone, and you can also change the volume and do everything. So you also have a screen here, and it is pretty good. You can just use it, and it is touchscreen and it is not laggy. Like, it is really good. You also have volume, and then for your files, and every button is here, and you are just gonna have really fun in this car. And I think this is to lock your car. Now you have locked the car. I have locked the car, and I'm gonna press it again and the car is unlocked. I love that. And I also like these buttons. Like, these switches are great. You can just use them as you want to, and this looks good because it's just not cheap. It doesn't look that cheap. The buttons look good and you can just have a good feeling in this car. So there's a good amount of space in here, and you have a 12 volt charger plug, so you can just charge your phone with it, and you have this cigarette lighter, and then you have the USB cable, so you can charge your phone. And there's another USB and aux thing, so you can just have it. And there is good amount of space in this car. Like, this is the center console, and you can just open it and you can just keep good amount of stuff in it. So the gears are also nice. Like this shift knob is not that good because it is just not going with the interior. This just looks a bit basic because it is normal black, but still this car feels really smooth while driving. Like you can see, I'm shifting the gears just with one finger. I can just shift it with one finger and you won't be having any problem. So if you are trying to buy this i20, you can just have it and it is just gonna be great. On the top you're gonna have this space for your glasses, so you can keep your glasses here, and then normal lights and all these things which you have, and you can just have them in your car. In the back also the seat covers are also nice and you get pretty good amount of space in here. I'll show you in the back too. When you will go in the back, you can see I have my bag here, so you can have good amount of space while you are sitting here. Like legroom space is pretty good because I like to have my seat way too tilted, so that's why you are not able to see that much space, but you can see there you have good amount of legroom. But here also, if you are sitting normally and if you are comfortable, you can just see you have good amount of space here, so you can just sit here and be comfortable if you are going on a trip. And it's just have good amount of space there, and you also have another light in the rear for your rear seats, and you have water bottle space which you have in all of the cars mostly, so you don't have to be worried about that. And there's the boot, so there must be a button here. So this is the boot and I am gonna open it with this. So here you have the handle and there is just a small button here, so you have to click that and then you'll be able to open the boot, and there is good amount of space in the boot too. You can see you can fit a lot of things in here. If I am gonna fit my wheels in here, I am pretty sure I can fit 3 wheels easily in here and I won't be having any problem. So this thing also lifts up because you are opening the trunk and you want good amount of storage area because you have to keep big stuff in here. So this thing lifts up and you can keep everything easily and you won't be having any problems. So from the rear too, this car just looks great and I love this car. Like really, I really like this car. And this is the reverse light when you are reversing the car, and it also have alloy wheels as I have mentioned. So in the rear it have drum brakes and in the front it have disc brakes, but still when you are going to drive it, you will be having really fun. Like you won't be having any problems with this car. It have good amount of power in it. It must be having, yeah, this car have 1198cc engine, so it is a great engine. This is a petrol head, so it's a great variant of this car, so it have good amount of power. If I'm going to compare it with my car have way more power than this, but that's a Civic and a sedan, so there is a difference between a hatchback and a sedan, but still I am gonna say it's a great car. So there are some cops. I think I need to bounce from here, otherwise they'll just charge me for not wearing the mask. So other than this, I am really in love with this car and I would definitely like to buy this car after some time. I know I have told this about every single car I have driven, but this car is just on the top after my Civic. Like I really like it, and if I have to go somewhere and just have some fun and I don't have to worry about the mileage, then I can just buy this car because this car gives good amount of mileage. It gives like 14 to 15 kilometers per liter, and that's like for India it's not that much, but if I'm gonna compare it with my car, my Civic gives like 8 kilometers per liter, so having a 14 kilometers per liter to 16 kilometer per liter car, it is gonna be good for me and I'll be able to drive it way easily, and I won't be stressed about the gasoline because right now the prices of gasoline in Delhi are just skyrocketing and the gasoline is really expensive. So I think overall this car is great, and I am gonna meet him and I'm gonna end this video after this and I'm gonna introduce him to you guys and then I'll be ending the video. So guys, I was talking about Pariche. So he is Pariche and he is our another friend Kritsima. So he owns this i20 which I just reviewed and I fell in love with this car. Like seriously, I'm really happy and I'm gonna link all of his links in the description down below and you can just go there and you can just enjoy his content because his content is great and it is definitely better than my content. So you can just subscribe and just watch his videos. So thank you guys for watching my video. So I hope you guys learned something from this video and you'll be having some fun. So thank you guys for watching my video. Just subscribe to my channel and smash the like button because you know that helps me a lot. Thank you guys. Peace out.